Hi guys, Joseph here from Intellect Finance. Welcome back. If this is the first time to this channel, it's great having you join us. Today we have Omar from St.George Bank joining us to talk about some of the great products St. George has to offer, which I believe can benefit you. Omar, thanks for coming.
Thanks for having me, Joe.
All right, tell us, what can you do for first-time buyers?
With first-time buyers, I think with St. George, one thing that we are on the first home guarantee scheme with the government, where customers come in with a minimum deposit. But one big niche that we have at St. George is our family guarantor or guarantee product, or people used to call it family pledge.
So what you're meaning to say is that with the family guarantee scheme, no deposit is required by the client. They can totally rely on their parents or siblings' security, and so that we can finance the full amount of the purchase.
That's right, so the purchase and the stamp duty. So it allows them to get into the market sooner.
Or in the event that people don't have, or do have a deposit and don't have someone to guarantee them.
Yep.
So you got that 5% first home deposit scheme?
Under the government guarantee scheme, yep.
And also you guys are pretty good with nurses and doctors.
So we kind of bunch them up into two categories. You've got your Group A and your Group Bs. So Group A, for example, a doctor. We will allow them to buy up to 95% with no LMI or lender's mortgage insurance. And your Group B, which, for example, you have your midwives and registered nurses, up to 90% with no lender's mortgage insurance. So that's across refinances, purchases, anything and everything.
Because these nurses have a lot of overtime.
A lot of these people have a lot of overtime and allowances that we actually accept as well. So that will also assist with serviceability. Yeah. And Joe, another product that we also have is, yes, we can waive the lender's mortgage insurance, or LMI, as we call it, for your Medico customers. We also have one for your industry specialization employees, which is more in the finance and legal sector. So very similar policy, up to 90% no LMI. These are minimum income threshold, but again, it allows customers to refinance or purchase up to 90% with no LMI. In terms of policy, one of our favorite policies is something called Fast Track. So if you're self-employed under any entity, a sole trader, a company, a partnership, or a trust, and you have an ABN trading for 2 full financial years, we can just accept your 2 notice of assessments as income. And the caveat there, just maximum LVR is 80%. But the beauty of that, it's a simple self-employed policy, 2 NOAs, and that's it. Of course, there's the policy applies in the background, but it means less documents and a quicker approval as well. So, as I said, no matter what age or what stage, St. George is here to help.
St. George has a lot of great products to offer. We could spend all day talking about them, but I know you're busy. Thank you very much for your time.
And Joe, thank you for working with us in St. George to help your customers realize their home loan dreams.
What a great chat with Omar from St. George Bank. There was a lot of information across all industries, from your first home buyers to self-employed people. If you would like any more detailed information to confirm if you're eligible, I will leave a link below, and we look forward to assisting you with any of your needs. That's the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.